We've been focusing on bioart for the last many years, 15 years maybe. So and basically in recent years we've both done PhDs in the field, and which have led us to form quite strong opinions about how this field should be formulated, and sort of what sort of things artists should think about when they engage with this field, and also how you engage collaboratively. When I did my PhD, which finished this year, was about synthetic biology, and it was about going into the laboratory and how you learn methods and adopt scientific techniques in order to do art making, and what sort of things that comes from that. And since the beginning of this year, I was based in Amsterdam as part of something called the Arts and Designers for Genomics Award, where we developed a project with the Foam Institute in Hull, which involved this magnetotactic bacteria that we can sort of move in various directions in a very using magnetic fields to produce portrait images. Now, in saying that, one of the key things that I'm interested in is this difference between representation and materiality of things. So I'm basically interested in the material of living matter, and how we can, and what role that plays in art, and this sort of thing that throws up. What I'm also interested in is how independent artists today manage themselves in science institutions, because they're coming in as an independent, working with an institution, and the sort of role they have in that, and the difficulties that often produces. So I think that's enough for now.
Thank you, Alex.
Hello, my name is Inga Borgheite. My background is art history, and at the end of the 90s I started a PhD on bioart and artificial life art and interactive art, that was published I think in 2004, and there's also an English version, Art in the Age of Technoscience, that was published in 2009, and I was quite lucky that Robert Swinnenberg had the time to write an introduction into art and science collaboration for this publication. Well, after working for many years at Humboldt University at the art history department, and also for many years at the Academy of Sciences in Berlin, I became more and more interested also to do some curatorial